What are bylaws for an S corporation or C corporation? Imagine running a busy restaurant or a tech startup. You need clear rules to keep everything running smoothly. That's where bylaws come into play. Bylaws are like the rulebook for a corporation. They are internal documents that tell everyone how the company operates daily. Whether it is an S corporation or a C corporation, bylaws are essential. They act as the company's internal constitution, guiding how decisions are made, who manages what, and how meetings are held. In these bylaws, you will find details about the company's purpose, explaining why the business exists. They also specify how the board of directors is structured, including how many members there are, how they are chosen, and what their duties are. The bylaws also define the roles of officers like the president or treasurer, and how they are appointed. Shareholder voting procedures are included as well. This covers how shareholders cast votes, what quorum is needed to make decisions, and rules for proxies. They also lay out how often meetings happen, how they are announced, and what rules must be followed during these gatherings. Bylaws address conflicts of interest among directors or officers, setting policies to handle disagreements fairly. They often include indemnification clauses, which decide if the company will cover legal costs if a director or officer faces lawsuits related to their work. Rules about issuing, transferring, or buying back stock are also part of the bylaws. Another important part is how to amend or change the bylaws when needed. These rules help keep the company organized, prevent confusion, and make sure everyone knows what to do. They also show that the business is a separate legal entity, which helps protect shareholders from personal liability. Most states requiring both S corporations and C corporations to adopt bylaws. While Articles of Incorporation create the company's legal existence, bylaws govern internal operations. They are usually kept private and shared only with shareholders and directors. From a legal point of view, bylaws help keep the company compliant with laws and regulations. They ensure proper governance by clearly defining how leaders are chosen and how decisions are made. They also protect the company legally by showing that it follows formal rules, which can be important if legal issues arise. Even though the tax status of the corporation does not change the content of the bylaws much, S corporations must follow specific IRS rules about shareholder eligibility and stock classes. These rules can influence parts of the bylaws related to stock issuance and shareholder rights. In practical terms, adopting and following bylaws is a key step in forming and running both S corporations and C corporations. They help the business operate smoothly, stay compliant with laws, and protect the interests of shareholders and directors.